As Worksport began this year hovering just above $2, it's picked up some positivity as it drives further into its commercialization journey. That's because it began shipping its Solis solar tonneau cover and core portable energy system from U.S. facilities, fulfilling pre-orders while launching a major digital marketing campaign. Let's check out these new products and go over how manufacturing, dealer, and distributor networks are growing, as well as other potential catalysts that could be heating up later in the year, like progress on its subsidiary's heat pump. As Worksport expands its B2B footprint, it's securing agreements with major U.S. master warehouse distributors supplying thousands of auto parts stores and dealerships, leading to ongoing discussions with major retailers like Home Depot, Lowe's, Cabela's, Bass Pro, and Camping World to carry core systems. All this ahead of another tonneau cover product line that's planned for release in early Q2 2026. That's quite soon after Worksport launched its core mobile battery generator and Solis truck-mounted solar tonneau cover on November 28th last year, starting direct online sales at worksport.com. Together, the products form a compact clean energy nanogrid designed for pickup trucks, delivering renewable, portable power for overlanding, job sites, emergency backup, and off-grid use. The system pairs the core portable battery, a modular energy storage platform offering 1 to 6 kilowatt-hour capacity, with a Solis solar integrated hard-folding tonneau cover, which generates power directly into the battery while also securing the truck bed. Each core battery provides roughly 1 kilowatt-hour of usable energy, while the core hub delivers 1,800 watts of continuous AC output with multiple outlets and fast charging ports. Under optimal conditions, a core battery can recharge in 2 to 3 hours when paired with the largest Solis configuration, enabling continuous off-grid operation by cycling batteries. Launch pricing places Solis at $1,999 to $2,499 depending on bed length, and the core starter kit at $949. Worksport estimates initial 2025 revenue of $2 to $3 million from Solis and Core, with potential for 8-figure growth in 2026 as adoption expands across consumer, commercial, and fleet channels. To support commercialization, it previously placed an initial purchase order over $1 million for core systems with a Tier 1 global battery manufacturer that supplies Fortune 50 companies. The order includes 900 core units, each bundled with an inverter and battery plus 600 additional batteries. Worksport said it has collaborated with this partner for more than 18 months to adapt the COR design for large-scale global production while maintaining quality standards, and is also exploring future US-based manufacturing options. On top of that, Solis launched with more than 10 truck models. To get off to a good start, the system has already been selected for a pilot program by a U.S. construction company, indicating early commercial interest. Moreover, Worksport reported record-breaking online sales on November 28th, Black Friday 2025, generating over $200,000 in a single day through its direct-to-consumer website. This marked a 400% increase from approximately $40,000 in online sales on Black Friday 2024. It also achieved its strongest e-commerce week ever, with $665,000 in total online revenue for the week ending November 28th. These figures reflect only direct website sales and exclude wholesale or business-to-business activity. Worksport attributed the surge in online demand in part to the commercial debut of Solis and Core, which launched the same day. In anticipation of growth, Worksport opened a new Missouri facility dedicated to assembling its Solis tonneau covers. Operated under a 3-year lease, the new site more than triples the footprint of the company's previous Missouri R&D location and sits alongside an expanded engineering center, allowing tight integration between product development, testing, and final assembly. The facility is designed to support the specialized requirements of SOLIS, which involves electronic wiring, circuitry, and solar panel integration onto Worksport's tonneau platform. While the company's 152,000 square foot Buffalo, New York plant will continue producing AL platform covers, Missouri will focus exclusively on SOLIS assembly and distribution. Management said the expansion required minimal capital investment, as existing equipment and processes were compatible with SOLIS production. Worksport will use a build-to-order model, shipping units directly to customers to reduce inventory costs, handling risks, and working capital needs. CEO Stephen Rossi said Missouri provides centralized U.S. logistics, access, and proximity to engineering talent critical for SOLIS. Final SOLIS units will combine domestic and imported components through Missouri-based assembly. To step up logistics even more, Worksport opened a new distribution facility in Shreveport, Louisiana, aimed at reducing shipping times and logistics costs across its U.S. customer base. The facility enables next-day or two-day delivery for more than 50% of customers, with the most significant improvements seen in Texas and Florida. 10 to 15% shipping cost efficiencies are expected, including roughly 12% savings in FedEx Zones 2 and 3, driven by the facility's central location within the Southeast Shipping Corridor and proximity to major trucking routes. The Shreveport site is integrated with Worksport's AI logistics system, supporting automated routing, inventory optimization, and real-time shipment tracking. Steve Ravio, director of sales, said the new warehouse removes the barriers posed by long delivery times, allowing products to reach customers, trucks faster, and improving dealer competitiveness. Management stated the Shreveport facility will serve as a pilot model for future U.S. distribution expansion, with performance data guiding potential rollouts in the Southeast, Texas, and West Coast markets. In regards to dealer network growth, it's already well underway. In its last quarter, Worksport reported a 42% increase in its active dealer network. Of more than 600 national dealer partners, 266 are now placing regular volume orders, up from 187 in June. Business-to-business, B2B revenue, has grown at a 25% average monthly rate since the start of 2025, with August marking the highest B2B sales in its history. So as Worksport continues to target over $20 million in annual revenue, its revenue from last quarter already reached $5 million, up 62% year-over-year and 22% sequentially, marking the company's third consecutive record quarter. More notable than top-line growth was profitability progress. Gross margins expanded to approximately 31%, versus 7.9% a year ago and 26% in Q2, reflecting fixed cost absorption and a richer product mix. Management emphasized that these gains are occurring before next-generation products contribute meaningfully to revenue. CEO Stephen Rossi highlighted that operating leverage is now visible, with revenue rising nearly 60% year-over-year while core expenses grew roughly 20%. Production scaled to 8,600 units, double Q1 levels, reinforcing confidence in the company's U.S.-based manufacturing platform, which management says can support over $100 million in annual revenue without additional capital investment. Looking ahead, Worksport's outlook centers on converting years of product development into revenue acceleration. Its three major growth drivers are the SOLIS Solar Integrated Tonneau Cover, the Core Portable Energy System, and Teravis Energy's Cold Climate Heat Pump technology, which is currently being validated with U.S. Department of Energy support. Management expects these programs to transition into revenue-generating lines into 2026. So about that heat pump technology, Worksport subsidiary Teravis Energy has been selected for a competitive award under the National Renewable Energy Laboratory (NREL) Technical Assistance Program to evaluate its EtherLux Pro heat pump with zero frost technology in Alaska. The project involves collaboration with NREL, a U.S. Department of Energy national laboratory, to analyze the system's performance, energy savings potential, and deployment feasibility in extreme cold climates. The EtherLux Pro heat pump is designed to eliminate traditional defrost cycles and has demonstrated continuous operation at temperatures below -56 degrees Fahrenheit, conditions where conventional heat pumps typically lose efficiency or fail. The NREL-led analysis will focus on potential household energy cost savings in Alaskan homes, using Fairbanks and Juneau as case studies representing cold-dry and cold-humid environments. The project scope includes energy savings modeling using the Alaska Heat Pump Calculator, technology assessments for cold climate deployment, and development of a roadmap for potential future field demonstrations. Providing another heartwarming reason for Terravis Energy/Worksport supporters to remain confident traction can be gained in the global heat pump market they project to exceed $135 billion by 2030. Now, back to Worksport and trucks going beyond Solis and Core. Its HD3 heavy-duty tonneau cover is now available to B2B dealers after production began in mid-October, with a minimum advertised price of $869. The HD3 strengthens Worksport's US-made product lineup alongside the AL3 and best-selling AL4 series. Management said its launch supports its strategy to deepen penetration in commercial markets while scaling domestic manufacturing. Designed for commercial and professional use, the HD3 features reinforced materials, stronger panels, improved seals, and improved latching systems over the previous AL3 platform. Worksport plans to offer the HD3 direct to consumer, but expects dealers to be the primary sales channel. HD3 production already began, targeting commercial and fleet markets. 6 HD3 models are currently in production for popular trucks, including the Ford F-150, Chevrolet Silverado, GMC Sierra, and Ram 1500, with plans to expand to more than 25 models as initial shipments to distributors and dealers begin. This wide range of compatibility reflects Worksport advancing OEM partnerships to integrate Solis directly with EV pickup truck batteries, including a signed agreement with Hyundai. Worksport maintains a partnership with Hyundai for its Solis solar cover, since Solis was developed in partnership with Hyundai. Then, a relative newcomer, Solis cover shipments for the Rivian R1T electric pickup are expected by mid-January. This means Rivian owners will soon be able to benefit from the solar tonneau cover, providing approximately 250 watts of power, enabling owners to generate renewable energy while parked or off-grid, as well as pair it with Core to fully charge it in about 4 hours of sunlight to power tools, lighting, and electronics. The Solis system required engineering adaptations to fit R1T beds with or without factory power retractable covers. While it cannot yet charge EV batteries directly, Worksport plans to explore OEM collaborations to enable vehicle charging in the future. Wouldn't that be something? A continuously powered e-pickup truck in the sun. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.